Scott Bauer, the CEO of Prosper Trading Academy, joins me now for a closer look at the overall trading trends. And Scott, if somebody's looking at this market and thinking, I want to make money potentially on the rebound, what would you as a pro do?
So here's what I did actually end of last week, and what I've told people to do is only look at the stocks that you'd want to buy for the longer term. Don't look for a quick snapback. And that being said, with volatility the way that it's been, Angie, option premium is incredibly expensive. So if you trade options, this has been a wonderful time to sell put spreads, sell very expensive premium. Now again, I would only do that in some stocks that if you don't mind being put the stock, you don't mind owning in the long run. For instance, a couple trades that I made last week, and this is full disclosure, Boeing, I sold a put spread, worked out great. Now Facebook is another one that I'm actually bullish in. I sold a put spread, hasn't worked out so great, full disclosure here, but those are the kinds of things you really want to look at.
And what about if you think the stock market has more room to tumble?
Then you know what? Same thing. I would look at those stocks that maybe are, you think is a little bit overvalued, but rather than selling the stocks outright, use options, use derivatives, because if you want to sell a stock, just short it outright, you have unlimited risk. If you're wrong, you have unlimited risk to the upside. If you use options, your risk is limited to any premium that you would potentially pay. That, or you can also sell an expensive call spread. Just like on the way down, as I was suggesting to sell some expensive put spreads, on the way back up here, you can sell some expensive call spreads.
So what do you think about the overall market? What are you trending towards here, Scott?
I think overall still very bullish for this year. Now the run that we saw yesterday, maybe that was a little bit too quick on the way back here. Overall, though, I think if we can have a 6 week to 6 month timeline, we'll be up from here.
Thanks so much for your Trader Talk today.
Always a pleasure.